Welcome to AI Smart Bytes, your go-to channel for exploring cutting-edge technologies and innovations like generative AI. We're excited to have you here as we dive into this fascinating topic. Welcome to the world of generative AI, a fascinating technology that's shaping the future of creativity and innovation. Generative AI is an advanced branch of artificial intelligence that can create new and unique content, from text and images to music and even videos. At its core, generative AI works by learning patterns from existing data and using that knowledge to produce entirely new outputs. But how does it actually work? Let's break it down in simple terms. Generative AI models are typically trained using vast amounts of data, often ranging from millions to billions of data points, to identify patterns, structures, and relationships within the data. Once trained, these models can generate new content by predicting what comes next based on the patterns they've learned. For example, a text-based model like ChatGPT can generate coherent paragraphs of text by predicting the next word or phrase in a sequence, handling up to 175 billion parameters to create meaningful responses. Meanwhile, image generation models like DALL-E can create artwork by combining visual elements in innovative ways, trained on datasets of millions of images. The possibilities with generative AI are nearly endless, and its applications span across industries. In the creative arts, generative AI is revolutionizing fields like graphic design, music composition, and filmmaking. For example, AI has been used to generate entire albums or design artwork in just minutes. Imagine an artist using AI to generate ideas for a painting or a filmmaker crafting unique visual effects with AI-generated imagery. In business, generative AI helps companies create marketing content, automate report writing, and develop personalized customer experiences. It's estimated that over 60% of companies are now exploring AI for these purposes. It's also transforming education by generating tailored lesson plans and interactive learning materials for students, benefiting millions worldwide. Healthcare is another area where generative AI shines, enabling the design of new drugs and personalized treatment plans. For instance, AI has been instrumental in identifying potential drug candidates 50% faster than traditional methods. But the applications of generative AI don't stop there. It's also being used to create virtual environments for gaming and simulations. AI-generated environments can reduce design time by up to 40%. Game developers can use AI to design entire worlds, characters, and storylines, making games more immersive and engaging. And let's not forget the role of generative AI in natural language processing, powering virtual assistants and chatbots. Virtual assistants like Alexa and Siri interact with millions of users daily, relying on sophisticated AI algorithms. These AI-driven systems can handle customer inquiries, provide recommendations, and even engage in meaningful conversations. Now, you might wonder, what makes generative AI so powerful? It's the combination of massive data, sophisticated algorithms, and advanced hardware. Generative AI models often rely on architectures like transformers, which enable them to process and generate content efficiently. For instance, transformer-based models process data in parallel, reducing training time by up to 80% compared to earlier methods. Transformers, such as the one used in GPT models, have a unique attention mechanism that helps them focus on relevant parts of the input. This attention mechanism allows the AI to produce high-quality outputs that are contextually relevant and accurate. One popular application of generative AI is in the field of content creation, where it assists in writing articles, blogs, and social media posts. AI tools can boost content production by over 300%, saving creators significant time. By using AI tools, creators can save time and focus on refining their ideas instead of starting from scratch. Generative AI is also making waves in the entertainment industry, creating lifelike animations and realistic voiceovers. AI-generated voiceovers can reduce production costs by up to 30%. For instance, AI can replicate an actor's voice or even generate a script based on a simple idea. In the realm of science, researchers use generative AI to model complex systems and generate simulations for experiments. This accelerates the discovery process, helping scientists solve problems faster and more efficiently. Another exciting use case is in personalized shopping experiences, where AI generates product recommendations tailored to individual preferences. It's estimated that personalized AI recommendations can increase sales by up to 20%. Imagine an AI that can design your dream outfit or recommend a book based on your unique taste. But with great power comes great responsibility. Generative AI also raises ethical and societal concerns. One major concern is the potential for misuse, such as creating fake news, deepfakes, or malicious content. Deepfake videos alone have grown by over 900% in the past 3 years. It's essential to establish guidelines and ethical frameworks to ensure the responsible use of this technology. Transparency is another critical aspect. Users need to know when they're interacting with AI-generated content. Developers are working on ways to watermark AI-generated outputs to distinguish them from human-created content. Another challenge is bias. Since generative AI learns from existing data, it can inadvertently reproduce or amplify biases present in that data. Addressing bias requires careful curation of training datasets and ongoing monitoring of AI outputs. Despite these challenges, the potential of generative AI to improve lives and drive innovation is undeniable. To make the most of this technology, we need to focus on education, collaboration, and regulation. Educating the public about generative AI is key to demystifying the technology and encouraging its ethical use. Collaboration between governments, businesses, and researchers can help set standards and promote best practices. Regulations will play a vital role in ensuring generative AI is used responsibly and benefits society as a whole. Looking ahead, the future of generative AI is incredibly bright and filled with possibilities. As the technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more innovative applications that push the boundaries of creativity. For instance, by 2030, it's estimated that generative AI could contribute up to $4 trillion annually to the global economy. Imagine a world where AI collaborates with humans to create art, solve complex problems, and unlock new opportunities. Generative AI is not just a tool, it's a partner that amplifies human potential and drives progress. But the journey doesn't end here. Staying informed and engaged with this technology is crucial as it becomes more integrated into our lives. By embracing generative AI responsibly, we can harness its power to make the world a better, more creative place. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of generative AI. We hope you feel inspired and informed about this transformative technology. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to AI Smart Bytes for more exciting content on the latest in AI and technology. Remember, the future is what we create, and with generative AI, the possibilities are endless. Stay curious, stay creative, and let's continue to shape the future together.